This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to get Roblox text chat on Xbox. To begin, ensure your Xbox account is properly linked to a Roblox account. Next, verify that your Roblox account has both a confirmed email address and a phone number associated with it. It's also crucial that your age is set to 13 or older within your Roblox profile, as this is a fundamental requirement for accessing text chat features. These initial steps are vital for a smooth setup. Once your accounts are linked and verified, the next step involves adjusting your Roblox privacy settings. Navigate to your account's privacy section, where you'll find options related to communication. Look for the setting that asks who can chat with me. To enable text communication, you should select either friends or everyone. Choosing no one will prevent you from using the chat feature, so make sure to pick an appropriate option. Beyond Roblox's internal settings, it's equally important to check your Xbox console's communication preferences. Access your Xbox's privacy and online safety settings, which can usually be found under your profile. Within these settings, locate the option concerning Communicate outside of Xbox Live. Ensure that this particular setting is not restricted for your gaming profile. If it is, you'll need to adjust it to allow external communication for text chat to function correctly. If you followed all these steps and still aren't seeing text chat, don't worry. A simple restart of your Roblox game and your Xbox console can often resolve minor glitches. Also, confirm your internet connection is stable and strong, as a weak connection can hinder chat functionality. Finally, remember that some specific Roblox experiences or games might intentionally disable text chat, so it might not be available everywhere.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.